She ignores you. Then suddenly texts at 2 a.m. She acts cold. Then watches your story the second you post. This isn't coincidence. This isn't confusion. This is a test. But right now, you're failing it. Most men, they react. They double text. They ask what they did wrong. They bleed their weakness into her hands like soft prey. But the elite 1%, they smile in silence. Because they know exactly what's happening. And they know how to flip the test. Until she is the one who breaks. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why she does it, how to pass it, and how to make her fear losing you more than she feared falling in love in the first place. The evolutionary truth. This isn't about love. This is about power. And deep in her DNA, she remembers. Thousands of years ago, attraction wasn't about roses or poetry. It was about protection, survival, and dominance. A woman couldn't afford to fall for a man who folded under pressure. If he couldn't stay calm while wolves circled the cave, she died. If he broke down when food ran out, her children starved. So nature gave her a weapon, a psychological filter, the ability to test, to provoke, to pressure, until the weak men shattered, and the kings remained. Fast forward to today. She's not fighting lions anymore, but the software is the same. Every silence, every cold reply, every hot and cold message, every passive-aggressive comment. She's asking one thing: can I shake his frame? Most men, they crumble instantly. They panic. They send paragraphs. They bleed emotion in hopes of winning approval. But kings, they do the opposite. Because kings don't chase validation. They command it. The 3 tests and how to win them. Let's break down the 3 most common tests she'll throw at you, and exactly how to dominate each one. Test number 1, the silence test. She disappears. No texts, no calls, just quiet. Why? Because she's waiting to see if you'll chase. She wants to know if she can starve your attention, and if you'll crawl back begging for scraps. Most men fold. Did I do something wrong? Are we still okay? Hey, just checking in. And in that moment, she owns them. The elite response? Silence louder than hers. Not anger, not revenge, just silence wrapped in certainty. She doesn't hear from you. She sees you smiling in stories. She feels your absence like a wound she gave herself. Now she's the one overthinking. Now she's the one wondering. Now the game has flipped. Test number 2, the jealousy trigger. She posts a photo with another guy. She brings up a friend casually. She smiles while talking about someone else. What? She wants to see your reaction. She wants to know if you'll break. If you'll show possession before she gives you permission. Most men, they ask questions. Who's that? You dating him? And the moment they react, she wins. The elite response? Indifference. You act like you didn't even notice. Even better, you post your own story. Laughing, living, surrounded by energy, not neediness. She checks your profile hoping for jealousy. Instead, she finds a man too magnetic to monitor her moves. Now she's the one spiraling. Test number 3, the commitment trap. She leans in, soft voice, curious eyes. So, what are we? She's not looking for love. She's looking for leverage. Most men spill everything. I've never felt this way before. I just want to be with you. And in that moment, respect dies. The elite move? Controlled ambiguity. I like what we have. Let's enjoy it and see where it leads. No promises, no pressure. just mystery wrapped in masculine calm. Now she's chasing a definition. Now she's the one leaning in. Now you are the prize. The 3 laws of unbreakable masculine power. If you want to pass every test, you need more than tactics. You need laws. Unbreakable rules that you live by. Because women don't test words. They test consistency. Law number 1, the power of indifference. The less you care, the more they chase. Neediness repels. Detachment attracts. Indifference isn't apathy. It's controlled focus. You could care, but you choose not to until she earns it. Law number 2, the 24-hour rule. Never respond immediately to a test. Why? Because she's not looking for your reaction. She's watching your delay. Give her 24 hours. Let her wonder. Let her imagination turn silence into uncertainty. That pause, it reclaims the frame. Law number 3, frame control mastery. This is the deepest level. This is where you don't just pass her test. You make her question her own. If she pushes, you don't resist, you pull away. If she criticizes, you smile like a lion, untouched. If she tests, you redefine the game. She says, "I'm not sure how I feel." You say, "That's okay. You don't need to decide now." She says, "Other guys would try harder." You say, "Then maybe they're a better match." You don't fight for frame. You are the frame. The dark psychology reveal. Here's the brutal truth. Women don't test men they don't care about. They test men they fear losing. When she pulls away, it's not rejection. It's a mirror. She wants to see what's beneath the surface. A boy looking for validation, or a king who doesn't flinch. The test is never what she says. It's what she watches. Your pause, your posture, your energy. And when she realizes that she cannot shake you, that's when she falls. Because true respect isn't given. It's provoked. It's demanded without words. Final ascent. Close your eyes. Picture her face. Eyes scanning your profile, fingers hovering over send. Heart pounding because you haven't replied. That's not ego. That's earned power. You didn't yell. You didn't chase. You didn't explain. You endured. And that silence, that stillness, it broke her. That's how kings rise. That's how you rise. And if you want to become that unshakable force, where no woman, no test, no chaos can shake you again, then subscribe. Because here, we train for silence. We build dominance in the dark. We don't play games. We win without noise. She's testing you. Let her. Because now, you test her. Watch. Rewire. Rise.